Hi friends, today we'll discuss about account restrictions. So any operative account you can mark a restriction. It may be savings account or it may be current account or it may be CCOD account. You can mark a restriction. Marking a restriction means preventing the transactions from said account. So these instructions will be received from government authorities to place a restriction. So to place means to prevent the transaction from said account. So what are the types of restrictions are available? Debit restrictions, credit restrictions. Third one will be debit and credit restrictions. So I'll take one example. Okay, debit restriction is there on account number 1. What are the customer can allow the transaction, customer not allowed to do these type of transactions. In debit restriction for a account number, customer can do cash deposit and he can receive money from other bank. The same way, he can't do any cash withdrawal and he can't transfer money from his account to other account. Second scenario is credit restrictions. So I'll allow you cash withdrawal and I'll allow you send money to other account, but credit restriction is there. So I will not allow you the cash deposit and I will not allow you to receive money from other account. Third is debit and credit restriction on account number 3. Allowed is nil. You can't do any transaction. Cash withdrawal you can't do. Cash deposit and fund transfer. Are you a sender or beneficiary? You can't receive any fund transfer. Restrictions, marking and removing restrictions is maker and validation is must. So you want to place a restriction, maker and checker means 2 persons from a bank should be completed this transaction. To remove this restriction also you need a maker checker. Somebody has to authorize, somebody has to request. So maker checker concept is required for restriction marking and removing. Thank you friends.